bridge. Hi, I'm Jeremy Fisher, and if you want to support this channel, you can join me on patreon.com/JeremyFisherMusic, where I've got longer tutorials, tabs, chord charts. It's a great place to stay in touch with me and where we can work on music together. We're looking at Waltz number 2 by Elliott Smith, and before we get started on the chords, I want to make a quick note about tuning. On the record, Elliott Smith is tuned down a whole step, so it's the same chord voicings, but he's got his 6th string tuned down to a D from an E, and so on. So I'm going to do this tutorial in standard tuning, but if you want to play along with the record, tune your whole guitar down a full step and you'll be able to play along with these chord voicings. All right, let's take a look at the chords. Here's the intro. A minor, C over G, F, C over E, F, C over E, G, C. And then there's a little riff going into the verse. And then the verse starts on an A minor, C, F, D7 over F sharp, which you can also play like this. I like it with the thumb. To the G. And I've already got my index finger in position for the D minor. A minor. B minor 11. To the E. And then that repeats, and we get to the chorus, which is very similar to the intro. And the chorus is smaller up here on the high strings. He doesn't really play the root notes. It goes A minor, G, F, C over E, F6, C over E, G over D, okay, so those two parts cycle around. It goes from verse to chorus to verse to chorus, and then there is a bridge, and the bridge has a little passing tone. So at the end of the chorus, we get to a C chord, and then the passing tone is the 4th fret of the 5th string, D minor, F major 7, C, G over B, A minor, D minor, F major 7. Okay, those are all the chords. Now let's take a quick look at the strumming pattern. So we're in the key of 3/4 time. This is a waltz, just like the title suggests. So the strumming pattern, for the most part, now he does vary it a little bit here and there, but let's just go with a 1-bar pattern that we could use throughout. The strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So he's alternating the bass notes a lot of the time. Like on the A minor chord, it's down on the open 5th string, down, up, and then down on the open 6th string, down. So it sounds like this. That strumming pattern works pretty much throughout the song. I'll just show you a little bit here. slow that down a little bit. So alternating bass notes, except when there's the chords change fast. So on the A minor, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. To the C chord, down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. And then the open fourth string, down, down, up, down, up. Those are all the parts to the song. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to this channel. Give me a like on this video and let me know in the comments what other songs that you're looking to learn. Thanks a lot.